I got a lot explaining to do. Well, the car is done. If you, I haven't really been that active on YouTube, but if you do follow me on Instagram, the car, you've seen the car on Instagram. But my new wrap is here, my legit wrap is here to get the car ready for Simply Clean. And the video for today is actually going to teach you guys how to restore a carbon fiber hood. So let's go, let's get it. I'm going to teach you step by step how to restore it here in garage. Save you guys some money. You never know, you might buy like a used hood. You can use this video as a little DIY. And yeah, that's about it. Let's go. Boom. I don't know if you can see on camera, but I have some scratches right here, little sun damages right here, all right in here. I don't know, you can't tell right there. Some scratches in here. I'm gonna fix all that. And here also. Here, right there. See that? That's pretty. You can kind of tell that's pretty bad. So far you see what I gotta deal with. I have none of the crap that I need right now, so my ass is about to go to the store and go get all this shit, and I'm just gonna teach you guys how to save some money. And yeah, let's go. So I was supposed to bring you guys, but I got lazy and I just ended up getting all the stuff. But the stuff that you do need and you will need and what you're going to buy is going to be so 600 grit, 1500 grit, and I recommend you to get this one, the 2K right here. And you also need the compounds too and the buffer, but I'm gonna get that tomorrow because now it's gonna come through. And yeah, that's about it that you need to restore this. So let's go ahead and get this shit done. Let's go. So when you're done wet sanding it, what you want to do is get the water hose and hit it one more time. You want to wait, let it dry. See if you see any spots that need to get hit again. Let it be all smooth. Fill it out. Some people right here. I gotta hit it again right here. It's a little bit hard. It has to feel like a baby's butt, technically. Once you're done, you actually look at it, and you gotta shake your can up for like 2 minutes. Then you put this little tab on it in the bottom, push that thing down, and then shake it up again. Also, take off the hood when you're about to go spray. I'm actually gonna go spray it right over here. Take off the hood. It takes, I think it's what, 3 bolts on each side, and then just take it off and you'll be good. Then after that, I can just spray. We'll get a little montage of that, and let's go. We want to take off the hood. I got horrible lighting. There's like 3 bolts right there and 3 bolts over there. Then you just yank this mug out. Alright, got the hood over here. I do recommend to do it with 2 people. Unless you're a badass, you can do it with 1. But just keep shaking this up. I did spray a little bit right here. I don't know if you can tell by the light. But before you do anything, just clean it out. Then go ahead and start spraying, and it should look pretty good. But yeah, that's how you do it. You kind of just spray it down. I did do it outside. You can also do it outside, it doesn't really matter. But the hood I did get was kind of already damaged. I'm just trying to fix it as much as I can. And I'm about to show you how it looks right now. It actually looks pretty good. So here. Damn, fool. Damn, fool. But yeah, I'm just gonna let it go ahead and dry out. There are some little rough spots, like right here and over here. But once it all dries out, I'm gonna let it rest for a full day, and after that, I'm gonna hit it with the 1500 grit. After that, so it should look pretty good. And after that, you get a buffet and everything else, and your hood should look pretty brand new. So, yup. Until tomorrow. You know it's not a George vlog if there's not shoes involved. And look at the pickup. Look at the pickups, my guys.